Today I am into a discussion on body shaping and contouring. I must admit a body shaping and contouring whether one technology will give results. A big question. In my opinion, the answer is no. We require combination of different technology with permutations and applications. Today into the discussion of non-contact, also called as field RF technology. This patient's BMI is 33. He is an candidate who will get results for body contouring with combinational treatments and proper diet and exercise. Another patient having BMI of 37, he is not an ideal candidate for non-contact or field RF. Another patient having BMI 26, he is an ideal candidate who will get good results with non-contact field RF. We also get such kind of candidate who is into modeling and who wants to get rid of small amount of fat to get good six pack abs. Before coming to device description, the most important factor is the power of the system which drives the continuous and non-interrupted energy. Now coming to the screen, it shows power, forte mode, reflective power and time. Now we can increase the time from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. And coming to the power, we can increase from 10 watt to 300 watt. This reflective power indicates the power reflected back from the surface. So this should be always below 5 watt. It should not exceed the 5 watt, so that almost 95% of the energy is delivered to the part. Forte mode consists of preset fixed parameters where the treatment is for 30 minutes and after every 10 minutes the power reduces automatically. For first 10 minutes it delivers 300 watts, second 10 minutes 250 watts and last third 10 minutes will be of 200 watts. When we start the treatment, it has a robotic sensor over this emitting panels which makes sure the impedance matching of the patient and then delivers the control energy on the targeted area. You can see the impedance synchronization is on the screen. So it is synchronizing the energy. 31-year male patients having BMI of 27. He is on regular diet and workout, but due to professional work, he needs to travel regularly. So, to get faster results and proper body contouring, we will do treatment for him with non-contact field RF. The number of suggested sessions for him would be once a week for duration of 40 minutes, total of 6 sessions. After that, once in a 3 months for another 2 sessions. Result as of now on my patient lasts between 16 months to 18 months depending upon lifestyle. According to me, the first 20 minutes will be of 180 watt and another 20 minutes of 240 watts. You will find during the treatment patient is comfortable. It is safe, rewarding and has good patient compliance. With the large emitting panels, the advantage of this instrument is we can cover the lower abdomen and flank simultaneously. By keeping the safe distance of 4 cm away from the skin, we can place the emitting panels, and after placing the emitting panels on the proper position, we'll set the parameters.